I designed the most affordable home movie theater with a budget of less than $4,000 all-inclusive. Cost breakdown. Structural and decor $1,230, which includes wall paint, projector screen, for decorative wall panels and LED lighting. Equipment cost $2,430, which includes the movie projector, sound system, and 5 theater recliner seats. Front row has 3 massage pushback recliners. The back row has 2 power recliner with lumbar support. The movie projector is a ViewSonic 4K UHD Home Theater Projector. The sound system is a Yamaha Audio YHT 4950U 4K 5.1 channel home theater system. After hanging the projector, I used the projected image to measure the size of the screen to build. I built a 120-inch projector screen frame. I added a 3-inch wood shelf along the walls to hold the HDMI cables and the LED lights. I painted the ceiling black. I painted the walls gray. I stapled the projector screen to the wood frame. The screen is a double-layer projector screen with black shading layer. I built a picture frame to cover and define the project screen edges and painted it black. I bought a slightly damaged king bed footboard storage unit from NFM for $30 and converted it into a cabinet for the sound system unit. I painted the cabinet black to match the ceiling and panels. I installed the black frame on the screen. I used the cable raceway to cover the power and HMDI cables going into the projector. Then painted it black. I built 4 wall panels and covered them with a diamond design padded leather. I then added LED cabinet puck lights to each panel. I added color-changing LED strip lights along the walls. I built a raised platform for the back theater seats. I covered the platform with carpet rug. I purchased all the seats and finished the project. The front recliner seats do not have cup holders, so I built the cup holders consoles and covered them with black leather on the sides and same diamond padded leather on the top. I cut a hole for the cup holders. Please like and subscribe to this channel.